Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Standstore and maybe you're wondering, is this legit? How do you make money from it? Does this work? Can you use it to sell your digital products, right? Is this a good use of your time? Now, at any time, if you want to find out my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, all sorts of different apps, websites, business models, different make money online programs, and some of them are great, some of them are so-so, some of them are an absolute waste of time. So let's check out Standstore to find out whether this is actually a little app that will help you to make more money or not, alright? Now, what is Standstore? Standstore is basically an e-commerce platform that allows you to sell your own digital products if you're a creator, okay? Specifically on platforms like TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. It's really big on TikTok and Instagram, and I think it's a really cool platform, alright? So basically, if you're an influencer, if you're a creator, if you're a coach, right, and you want to sell something through your social media platform like TikTok or Instagram, Standstore is a really cool way to do that, right? So first of all, the thing that I like about Standstore is it looks very nice, right? So it's got a lot of very nice templates. When you click on your bio inside of TikTok or Instagram or Facebook, it'll take you to basically a page that looks like this. So what you can do is you can introduce yourself, you can link out to all your other social media, and you can basically show different ways on how people can work directly with you, right? So you can have a one-on-one coaching thing. So apply to, for personal TikTok help, for example. Click here to learn how I'm making money. Click here to download my free ebook. Click here to get on my email list. Click here to basically get my program straight up, right? And basically that's what Standstore does. It allows you to, first of all, display all of the ways to work with you in a very beautiful and nice format, better than any other app out there actually, right? Currently, it's one of the most popular e-commerce style platforms for that. And then secondly, it allows you to integrate very easily with Stripe so that you can collect payments directly. And because everything is done on Standstore itself, you're not going to be sending your leads to other websites, which can actually decrease conversions, right? So the nice thing about Standstore is it keeps everybody on one place and it looks like everything is cohesive, it's on one platform, and it will increase your conversions and sales. That's why Standstore works so well. Now, a few other things that it can do is it can do email marketing. It can deliver the actual digital product directly to your people that buy, right? You can book one-on-one calls, it can book on your calendar, you can do webinars, you can do upsells, so you can do a lot of cool things on Standstore, and everything is basically mobile responsive, so it's designed for the mobile phone and for the mobile user experience, which I think is really cool, okay? Now, there are some competitors out there, but I think that Standstore definitely stands apart from the competition. It's also very cheap. It's only $29 per month. If you want to upgrade to the Pro version, that's $99 per month, but you don't necessarily need the Pro version in order to do very well with Standstore. There's a 14-day free trial, and the cool thing is they don't keep any percentage of the sales that you make. It's literally just $29 a month, and you can use them for everything and make as many sales as you want. I think it's really cool. Okay, so to wrap it all up, is Standstore a good product? I think it's a great product. All right, first of all, it's easy to use. It looks great. It's cheap. All right, it's cheaper than the competition out there, and it feels like one cohesive website, which is what will massively increase your conversion. So if you want to sell your own digital products, if you want to collect leads, if you want to link someone to some other program, if you want to deliver your course 100% through mobile on through your social media, whether it's Instagram or TikTok, Standstore is pretty darn cool. All right, the only thing that is a disadvantage with Standstore is you need to have a big following in order to use it. So that means that if you have a very small following and you're not really an influencer and you're not at that level where you can actually get people to click on your link to see your Standstore, then unfortunately Standstore is not going to really help you with that, okay? This is only for people that are already doing quite well. You've got a following, you're growing your Instagram or your TikTok and you're getting pretty big. This, I think, would be very relevant for you if that is already where you are, if that makes sense, okay? So if you want to check it out, you can head over to stan.store and get your copy of Standstore if you would like to, all right? Now, if you're here watching this video right now and you're like, well, Aaron, I'm just a beginner. I don't know how to do this. I've seen Standstill, I'm just kind of checking it out, and it looks pretty cool, but you're an absolute beginner. You don't know how to make money. You don't have a social media following. You don't have any big social media accounts. You don't know what to sell. You have no products, nothing like that. Out of all of the business models, right, I've reviewed hundreds of business models. For an absolute beginner to go from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000, there's a very particular strategy, and if you would like to check that out so that you can eventually implement Standstill for yourself if you want to at that stage, I've got a free masterclass that you can check out. Just click the link below and I'll send you that strategy for free. You can check it out to go from zero to your first $5,000 to $10,000. I hope you enjoy that. All the best to you. See you on another video review. Take care.